The controversial co-option or possible reversal of it, of businessmen KUTYA Tagore into the ZANU-PF Central Committee, is escalated internal tensions in the ruling party, drawing out fault lines among its top power brokers, including Party Chinamasa, VP Gonzalo Chiwenga, and ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Mutsvangwa. Zambira mashoko kubuda panguva ina kunzi Chinamasa, VP Chiwenga in Mutsvangwa at crossroads over Tagore notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timuna mnamubula kwa mchinzi. Tagore, widely seen as President Emmerson Mnangagwa's closest business ally and financier, is now at the center of a succession-linked power struggle that is increasingly pitting key figures in the party against each other. Initially, ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Party Chinamasa had strongly defended Tagore's co-option, declaring it irreversibly settled. But in a surprising move over the weekend, Chinamasa appeared to soften his stance, posting on his X Twitter account on Sunday. He dismissed the uproar as a product of misinformation and disinformation driven by social media. Sources close to the matter say Chiwenga's camp is adamantly opposed to Tagore's growing political clout. Tagore's co-option is widely seen as part of Mnangagwa's maneuvers to position him as a potential successor, a role many within ZANU-PF had long assumed was reserved for Chiwenga. Mutsvangwa, who has previously taken veiled swipes at Tagore and criticized the capture of the party by business elites, is also believed to be part of the faction and is about the businessman's increasing political influence. Analysts say the fallout from Tagore's appointment reveals a deepening crossroads within the party's top leadership. The succession puzzle is no longer limited to Mnangagwa versus Chiwenga, but now involves influential power players like Chinamasa and Mutsvangwa, caught between loyalty, ambition, and party tradition. Chiwenga's faction is reported to have drawn two hard red lines, blocking Tagore's entry into the Central Committee and opposing any efforts in Parliament to extend Mnangagwa's term beyond constitutional limits. Critics argue that if Tagore's co-option is formalized, it would offer him a political platform to position himself with the presidency, a move Chiwenga's camp is determined to blow. Domashko arikuda panguva ine achionekwa kunzi aiwa Chiwenga's camp mwachena naMutsvangwa aiwa varuke panguva ine kuri kuonekwa kunzi mukono yakutungana pamusoro aiwa pe the co-option yakuda kwashe Tagore. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nakumai section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like chete on the bell icon.